Above all the kitchens of the world, island style kitchen is the best because them do the food them well. Oh, Terrence! You see island style, them food come first.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a watermelon sea moss smoothie. Yeah, watermelon sea moss smoothie. That's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so for today's watermelon smoothie, the ingredients we're going to use is, we have a watermelon here, obviously because we're making a watermelon smoothie. I have some ginger here, I have some ice, I have my sea moss gel here, I have some chia seed, I also have some flaxseed, I have some hemp protein, and I have some maca powder. So that's the ingredients we're going to use for today's sea moss smoothie. Wash your watermelon and cut a piece of it off to make the smoothie. Watermelon is sweet. Tasty. Man, melon sweet. Alright, so we're just going to peel off the watermelon and then we're going to cut it into slices to fit in the blender. I also have a watermelon beetroot juice that I made that's awesome. I made that one in a juicer. I'm going to do a video on that one soon. If you guys are interested in learning how to do that, you can just leave it in the comments below and I'll make the video for you. But I'm going to go back over the melon later because nothing I waste and nothing I dash way. But I want the video to run fast, so I'm going to just hurry up and do this. So I can so I go on. Understand? Now people know we too long of people. Wash off a piece of ginger. Alright. Yes people, watermelon. And cheap in the supermarket. So whenever time watermelon is on sale, yeah man, buy a watermelon and make some juice. Very healthy. Better if you drink watermelon juice or any natural juice than soda, you know. Yes, so I'm going to dice up the ginger before I put it in the blender. Make it easy on the blender. Now get the smoothie going now. I'm throwing my ice and my ginger. I'm throwing my watermelon. And these smoothies are really good for you if you're going on a weight loss or you want to do a diet. You could drink smoothies in the morning for breakfast. You could have smoothie for dinner, lunch. Any time of the day you can have smoothie. Smoothie good for you, so just always make smoothie and drink smoothie. And then say watermelon actually good for men. Alright, so I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of hemp protein. I'm actually going to use 2 because I think I'm going to get 2 cups out of this. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of chia seed also. And 2 teaspoons of flaxseed. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of maca powder. Now I'm actually going to use 2 teaspoons of maca powder because I'm going to get about 2 cups out of this. So 2 teaspoons of maca powder. And then I'm going to just throw in some sea moss tonight. I don't even know how much sea moss I put in. I'll put in some sea moss until I feel. People, sea moss really good for you. This sea moss gel I made it myself. And you guys should definitely use sea moss in everything you do every day. So I'm using about 4 tablespoons of sea moss in this one.
When me jam the fart, that means she just get bust. Rock and push in a wood a killer.
Alright, so that was quick. Today's video is a very short video. And this watermelon sea moss smoothie is a powerful smoothie. Alright, so there we have it. This is our watermelon sea moss smoothie. I'm just going to garnish it with a piece of lemon for presentation. And this is what my watermelon sea moss smoothie look like. Very yummy, delicious and healthy. I want to say a big thank you to everybody who's been supporting Island Style Kitchen. We reached 500 subscribers, and your support goes a far way. I really appreciate your support, Island Style Kitchen fans. Yeah, man, and keep on giving me the support and the drive and the push to do more videos and health tips for you guys on a daily basis. And I want to say big up to the artists from out of St. Mary, Utterance, for the background music you hear playing on this video. And the intro on this video also is from Utterance, so you can check out Utterance Vivo channel. I'm going to leave the link to his channel in my description, so please go and check out Utterance, the artist from out of St. Mary. The banner high up in the sky every time. Yeah, man. And if you guys enjoy this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, man, share the video and make some people learn how to make this smoothie. You know, it's a healthy thing, and you know health is better than wealth anytime. Yeah, man, so we're gonna stay tuned and stay safe. I'm gonna soon on the next episode of Island Style Kitchen. One love.